I basically challenged AI and wanted to see if artists are better or AI. So I'm gonna be fighting with ChatGPT.
So this idiot YouTuber artist called Nav asked AI how to draw a stick man. ChatGPT is telling us to get some shitty supplies. What about a no? I am just going to use my laptop, he 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 he.
So, basically in the whole shit written by AI. ChatGPT seems to tell us that the AI art generated doesn't have a human touch and art is something that helps connect the artist and viewer emotionally, so, this assumption is completely false. Thereby, we artists are safe, smiley face.